not really going to ask you about your testimony because I believe you offered that in a very sincere way, and I don't want to try to change your opinion on something you sincerely believe. But the notion that our rights do not come from our laws or our government should make people very, very nervous.
Then you can believe perhaps the most prominent Virginian to ever serve, Thomas Jefferson, who wrote in the Declaration of Independence, "We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal."
At a heated Senate hearing, a sharp debate broke out over the question of where human rights come from, God or government. Senator Tim Kaine argued that rights must come from laws and the Constitution, warning that grounding them in religion risks discrimination, as seen in theocratic regimes like Iran. He criticized the State Department for removing references to LGBTQ rights and other protections from its human rights reports. In contrast, Senator Ted Cruz defended the founding American belief that rights come from God, not government, citing the Declaration of Independence. He called Kaine's view radical, insisting government only exists to protect those God-given rights. State Department official Mr. Barnes backed Cruz's position, saying the new Office of Natural Rights seeks to focus on universal principles like life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. The exchange revealed deep philosophical divisions over faith, law, and the foundation of human rights in America.
Mr. Barnes, I was struck by your opening comments, and I asked to get a copy of them so I could read them and make sure I quoted them correctly. You state, and this is a quote from Secretary Rubio, "Our rights come from God, our Creator, not from our laws, not from our governments." I find that very, very troubling. I'm a devout person. I was a missionary in Honduras. We've got other devout folks in this room, Christian, Jewish, Muslim American. The notion that rights don't come from laws and don't come from the government, but come from the Creator, that's what the Iranian government believes. It's a theocratic regime that bases its rule on Shia law,